I saw that you can use edge control to fill in your brows if you don't have the eyebrows gel filler. So today I want to try it out using edge control. So I decided to experiment this process using edge control to align your eyebrows. I couldn't do this myself, so my friend is helping out. So let's see how it turns out. Oh my god, this really came out nice. I wasn't expecting it to be this way. This is really nice. So if you're tired or you don't know how to draw your eyebrows, you can use this technique. So my friend decided to try her own. She has fuller eyebrows, so let's see how her own will turn out. So she's done with filling hers, and she didn't really shape her brows, so it didn't really come out so nice like mine. So guys, tell me what you think about this edge control brow lamination. Do you think it's okay? Is it something you want to try out? And don't forget to give me a thumbs up.